Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the banner of your YouTube channel on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There is actually no way of changing your banner on the mobile app for YouTube, so we need to open a web browser. I like to use Firefox for this because when using Chrome, I've noticed it always tries to reopen the YouTube app instead of using the browser. So open your web browser, go to youtube.com and sign in if you aren't already. Now tap the three dots button of Firefox to bring up the browser options, and then choose Request Desktop Site. YouTube should now load in desktop view. Head over to your channel page, tap on the Customize Channel button. You can now select Add Channel Art, and you will be taken through the steps of uploading your image to use as the banner on your YouTube channel. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.